your science diet half of this, and then just keep doing it and gradually give down less of this. It's pretty nice.
Yeah.
One of these days you're gonna get adopted. I bet you by the end of the day you're married. Yeah, that's Coda. So this goes home with you, and his health record's in there. And then when you get home, we always just suggest putting them on the floor and leave him there 10-15 minutes, and so that he can kind of look around. He's going to miss his family. He's going to miss the people here and the environment.
Sorry.
But he'll get used to everything real quick.
Can you listen for just a minute? This is my daughter traveling, and
Okay.
she's getting lost probably.
Oh yeah. So let me
Okay,
get the
where are you
peacock
at?
feathers too that we'll send home with you.
Okay. And you're gonna go left on 115. Okay, and then your directions should take you. Keep
Are
going.
you
So
home
watch
just for
your
the
left.
holiday?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Maryland.
Maryland. Oh wow, you
Okay.
had a
So
drive, didn't you?
115, I
Let
think
me get
probably
him
Hoover
another
Road,
poop
but I'm
so
not
he's
sure.
comfortable.
I didn't look. I'm so sorry, but I'm at the store right now. So, okay. I'll talk to you about it later. Okay. Well, I'll send you a picture. Okay. Okay. I'll talk to you later. You drive, and I'll talk to you later. Okay. All right. Love you. Bye.
How
She
long are
is
you-
like totally loving that.
How long are you home for yet?
Till the 9th.
Till the night? Here, come here, buddy. This is where he feels very comfortable.
Yeah.
And he's except that one's pretty poofy, isn't it? Come here, dude. You want to go back in? He says, "Oh man, that's good. Look how poofy that one is." Yeah. So,
Don't look at this.
so just set him down on the floor in the carrier, leave him in there so he can kind of look around. And then while he's in there, shut extra bedroom doors because a little bit smaller. 10-15 minutes, I'm sure he's going to be just fine and ready to come out. You can play with him with the feathers, kind of distract him a little bit. But I think you'll do pretty good.
How, okay. And then like every 15, 20 minutes, how does you, I know it's in paper, that we should put in the litter box.
Pick him up, love him up, just reassure him, show him the litter box. 15-20 minutes later, show him you should have 2 litter boxes.
Okay.
And then show them that one and just kind of go back and forth. They're so smart, they just find them too.
Yeah, I know.
But your house is going to be bigger than what we have here, and you're not
You
going
know,
to have
not
this
much
many.
though. Not that much though. Not never. I mean, we did when we sold our house. We are half size. It is not that big of a house. So they are downstairs. There's nothing upstairs. So
And show him where the food is, where the food station is. He'll be just fine. But lots of reassurance because he's used to all the other kitties, especially. Just that he's okay. He'll be fine. Okay, good? Yeah. Okay. And so he'll still need his afternoon feeding that too. Okay. And
but you leave dry food out for me.
all the time, always. Yep.
And
he-
then just the canned food twice a day though.
or 3 times a day if you can take that can and divide it morning, afternoon, and evening.
That's even better.
It's a little
That's a kid.
smaller, yeah.
That's a kid.
Yep.
Okay.
And he's used to more than twice a day.
Okay.
Yeah. But that one can should serve him for the whole day.
It should.
Okay?
I
And you
think so.
did get the dry kitten.
We got the dry cat food, but I'm gonna stop. I didn't know what you got, and you gave me a can.
Mm-hmm.
We have the dry cat food now,
Okay.
but I don't have the cans because
Okay, well there's a few
so
cans in
I got
there.
that.
You've
So
got
we can
enough.
stop and get them.
Yeah, you've got enough to get you through a few days. Hey you ready to go to your new home? Look at him, he's so cute. What are you doing? Oh, I've got something else that I'd love to, I want to send home with you that he will have a blast with. Let me go get it.
Is there any where does he like to sleep?
On anything pushy or with people?
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't want to follow that.
Yeah.
Okay, and is there any like certain kind of I know you have a lot of cats, but is there any certain thing he likes to do?
That track ball?
that he really
He
likes
loves
a
the
lot?
track, that round thing, he likes the
The
track
yellow?
ball.
Or
The blue, the
He
blue.
loves the trackball.
Yeah,
Okay.
Yep, he really likes that. There's another one there.
Okay.
And, he does also like these, and we'll send a few of these home with you. The, oops, over there, the spring toys, we'll put those in his carrier there.
Okay. He likes those.
Yeah.
We went to the pet supply store and it was like this whole thing
Oh,
of like,
there's so many.
okay, this is it's like bringing a baby home.
They end up everywhere, but there's like.
Really?
Let me get you this other thing too, you'll like.
My fiance and I have one that loves the spring toys, and we moved the couch, and there was like 10 of them underneath.
Well, I can tell you, we have 4 boys. I'm sure it'll be like Matchbox cars, you know? And Nerf darts.
Since he's one of our Christmas kitty adoptions, he can have that too. Yeah, he'll like all of that in there.
That is true.
His own stocking. He'll have a blast with this.
These guys are gonna be so excited. I had them cleaning and sweeping this morning. I'm gonna chew a bit. Because I kind of ran out to the store. And I said, we have a guest coming over. They're bringing a baby.
Oh, so they don't know.
They have no clue.
Oh my gosh, they're gonna go crazy.
And Melissa's just on the phone. She's our 19-year-old. She's starting to learn to visit a friend. It's all from college. And she, I don't know why she gets so long. She's so smart. But anyways, she was like, well, who's coming over today? I said, I'll
Oh,
send you a picture.
she's gonna turn around and come right back.
This was like, I was like, I know.
Oh, that's cute. So he'll have a good time with that. Put some of those toys in there.
Okay.
And he's also got a blankie. That's his.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get it. Send us with everything.
Yeah.
Which one?
Up here. Clark and
Over here?
Jesse, 2 cats that were adopted from here, always wants to make sure all kitties get a blink. Oh, that's so nice. Go home. Yeah, the coil toys. Okay. So you're pretty set?
So,
Hey, are you ready? And anytime you want his toenails trimmed, we do them. There's no charge on it, so just,
Really?
yeah. Give me a day or two
I
notice.
may bring that. I bought them, but they make me nervous.
Yeah, we'll be happy to do that for you.
I would like to have with our kids when they were babies.
We have to show them to the camera. She wants that so
You know
bad,
she
doesn't
wants
she?
to make you
Oh,
mad.
Pippi. So here's our boy. This is Hoover.
They are so
He's Hoover and Harley, Lamula, that whole family. They were 4 weeks old when they came. Look how big a hunk of boy he is now. Says I was a big boy. He only weighed 1 pound when he came. He's now 4 pounds. You've been gaining weight good, haven't you? He's got the nice FFRC belly. So he's gonna go. He came here November 3rd. So he's been here almost 2 months. He's a baby. He's a sweetheart. He's a hunk of goo. Yep, aren't ya? Really, really nice boy. You ready, huh? So your family doesn't know this yet then. That's gonna be fun. They don't know what's coming. They think it's a person guest, right?
Yeah.
Wow, what a lot of fun that'll be. Yep, I think he's gonna be a well-spoiled, rotten boy. Isn't he cute? I think all of these kitties, the tigers have this whiter look here in their face here. Yeah, they were found just the litter, all by themselves, no mama. You were so hungry when you came, weren't you? I was very hungry. Yeah. All right, isn't he a cool good-looking boy? Because I was going to be a big boy. All right, let's find your carrier. Look how he sunk right back into that. All right, So can you call me in a couple of days? Let me know how it's going. Oh, yeah. There you go. You're okay. He's very needy.
Yeah, that's
And
why I
it
was.
is, yeah. And we're here for questions, worries, concerns too. Oh, here's his back. Let's see, you can just barely tell where his sutures
Little, they heal so
Oh,
fast.
they do. They sure do. And then his adoption fee is 90.
Yeah.
Oh, there's his application. I thought I had that. Yeah, he'll have fun with that box, I think.
It really is like a kid. Our kids played with the boxes. Mom was like, one year he's I'm getting kids a refrigerator box for. There's a plant in there.
Oh, well, thank you. I appreciate that. And
What? Oh,
did he? Oh, here. Oh, Vernon, honey, yeah, he gets a little obsessive. Let me stick him over here. I wanna get your adoption paper. He's like, where am I? Where are we going? What was your first name again?
Laura.
Laura. I thought it was Lori or Laura. Okay, I'll just jump down here. Laura, can you give me the phone number?
419-880-1818.
Okay. So we're here. Questions, worries, concerns. This is a nice carrier.
You think that'll be good? We looked at the soft ones. I just like this because
Yeah.
it was easy.
Gives a little protection
What
too.
is this? Oh, yeah, yeah.
Okay. So how are you gonna do this when the kids come?
Wait, we're in.
For you?
No,
From you? Oh, that's nice. So you're gonna keep them hidden till, I mean, not hidden, but in a room and then, or what?
No, I think we're just gonna walk in.
Good, good.
You let me walk in first because I want to be with you.
Okay.
Because my husband's just saying, Hoover's progressive, and what he does is, well, he does estimates for cars, and between the ice and the deer this time of year,
Oh,
it's
that's
just,
crazy.
yeah.
You want
And his coworkers want to take them. Oh, you want to come
I'm
too?
they
here.
want the feathers.
Yeah,
Oh,
They like those
Oh,
feathers you
yeah,
have.
yeah.
you're okay. I'm gonna get you a
I don't know
feather.
if Megan could ever volunteer. She come over.
Yeah, she would.
We'll bring her by sometime though, just for fun.
She would love it.
Yeah. All right, well, you guys are gonna have a fun
Thank
afternoon.
you.
This will be great. All right, well, enjoy. But
Alright.
we're here if you have any worries or concerns.
Thank you. I
Okay.
really appreciate it.
He's gonna have a blast. Yeah. You'll give your family a lot of joy.
Oh, we better get going. He's going to be one page out.
All right, well, thank you.
Thank you.
Yep, and you got everything? Oh, there's a spade. That's the most important. Can you get everything?
It really is like grabbing a baby.
Yeah. Yeah.
Remember we used to pack the babies all
Yeah.
Here's our luggage. There's the
There's
baby's
theirs.
luggage.
All right, thank you.